Today's gonna be a great day. We're about to go open another new flow trail in Alabama, and this will be the 5th one I've made a video on. Let's go. I'm headed to Wildwood Park in Florence, Alabama. It's a solid 2.5 hours away from me, and I know nothing about the park. So I got local Jackson to tell me more about it. General overview about this park.
Yeah, absolutely. So Wildwood Park has been around, I don't even know how long, but a lot of people know and love this park for this park back here, actually, the creek.
Right.
In the summer, you can't find a spot from people canoeing, kayaking, fishing. So we've got around, I want to say 80 acres of multi-use trails all around behind you there. And it's not until the past 5, 6, 7 years we formed an actual club that's Shoals MTB.
Right.
And from there, things really took a turn towards expanding our trails, making them more kind of up to modern designs, you know, where they're not just fall line trails and they're easier to maintain, they ride better, things of that nature. And then really expanding who we're trying to build trails for in welcoming in new riders. So we've got a lot of green trails that we did. That's been probably 3 or 4 years ago. First time a machine ever touched the dirt out here. We built Magnolia, which is everybody's favorite, and it's just a fun, flowy trail. And then after that, we got on the other side of the street and built a few loops over there, and same thing, just kind of flow. Some of them have a little more elevation than the others.
But y'all have greens, blues, and a black.
Now a black, yes, yeah. Absolutely. So we've got a lot of variety, and the plans for the future is just developing that even further.
And what does it cost to ride here?
Nothing, absolutely nothing.
City-owned parks.
Public park, so you know they run on like a dawn to dusk, so no real set time, and
we'll see what happens in the day. I came here for the grand opening of a new jump trail called Zeppelin. Of course, it's a play on words, so the first thing I want to do is check it out and look around and get a look for it. You know me, I'm not good at blind, but I feel like I should be able to handle this without any issue. A lot of people showed up. I didn't capture everybody that was here. I actually was too busy riding and waited to film too late to where a lot of people was gone, but it was a good time. The trail itself has what I call small to medium sized jumps. There are some gaps. There is ways around everything if you don't want to do it. And people of all ages rode this trail. It was amazing. Little kids, I think one of them was 3 years old, and there's routes around and they had a blast. The trail is also very easy to session. The return loop back to the top is very short. Some of the guys on regular bikes just push their bikes back up over and over again. At a very easy, moderate pace, it took me less than 2 minutes to get back to the top. That's pretty awesome. Okay, enough talk. It's time to ride this thing. So what do I really think? I'll let me tell you on my way back in. Well, I gotta say, Zeppelin, I think that's what it's called, Zeppelin, is a lot of fun. And they've done a good job with what they've got out here. I went the wrong way. I haven't rode any of the other trails, except the one I climbed up, and now this one, which I'm telling you I'm going the wrong way. That little jump trail is fun. If you're in the area or live nearby, I highly recommend coming out if you want a good flow trail. They say they had some other good fun trails but are not necessarily flow. Knowing Alabama, it's rocks and tech and roots, but it's worth coming out. Bunch of good people, man. Very proud, trying to
make themselves something good to ride, and I'm here for it. And yes, I don't know where I'm going, but I know all of these go down the hill. So
That's a wrap on that. If you're ever in the area or you want someplace new to go, come by, check it out, ride the other trails. I plan on coming back up here and checking out a lot of the other trails, and maybe I'll see you there.
I need some good news. Sitting here sipping on cold truth. Nobody knows what I'm going through. That the devil wouldn't walk in my shoes. Wish someone told me living this life would be lonely. Trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little good news. All I really need is a little. Something bring me back to the middle. All I really need is a little.